Welcome students to BJS College Mathematics video classes. Today I am going to discuss corresponding problems related to exact equations. Solve 1 plus sin of x by y plus x by y cos of x by y dx minus x square divided by y square cos of x by y dy is equal to 0. I am considering given equation. Here m 1 plus sin of x by y plus x by y cos of x by y. Differentiate m with respect to differentiate partially with respect to y. So 0 sin of x by y means cos of x by y, x is constant. So 1 by y derivative minus 1 by y square. Next I am using product rule. First function I am taking x by y as first function, cos of x by y as second function. First into derivative second. Cos of x by y is minus sin of x by y. Here x is constant. 1 by y. Derivative 1 by y is minus 1 by y squared. X is constant. I am writing as it is. Derivative 1 by y is minus 1 by y squared. First into second. Next second into derivative first. So x is constant. 1 by y derivative minus 1 by y square. So add these two, minus x by y square cos of x by y, here also same term. So add these two, minus 2x divided by y square cos of x by y, minus into minus plus x into x, x square, y into y square, y cube sin of x by y. So next n is equal to here minus x square divided by y square cos of x by y. Here differentiate partially with respect to x. Here I am taking x by y square as first function, cos of x by y as second function. So I am taking minus sign outside. So first into, first means x squared by y square, first into derivative second, cos of x by y means minus sin of x by y, 1 by y is constant, x derivative 1. Next second into cos of x by y, second into derivative first, x square derivative 2x divided by y square. Because I am differentiating partially with respect to x, I am using product rule. X square by y square as first function, first into, I am taking minus sign outside, first into derivative second, cos of x by y is minus sin of x by y, 1 by y into x derivative 1, second into derivative first. So x square derivative 2x divided by y square. So multiply this one, minus into minus, here plus y squared into y, y cube, x square divided by y cube sin of x by y. Next plus into minus, minus, so 2x divided by y square cos of x by y, both are equal. Therefore delta m by delta y is equal to delta m by delta x. Therefore given equation is exact. Solution is integral m dx by constant plus n of y dy is equal to 0. So here means here 1 plus sin of x by y plus x by y cos of x by y. So integrate this one with respect to x. Integral of 1 is x, sin of x by y is minus cos of x by y divided by 1 by y. Because I am using this formula, integral of sin x dx is nothing but minus cos x divided by a. Here a is 1 by y. Sin of x by y, integral of sin of x by y is minus cos of x by y divided by 1 by y. 1 by y means here a. I am using this formula. Integral of sin x means minus cos x divided by a. Here a is 1 by y. Next 1 by y is constant, integral of x cos of x by y dx is equal to 0. So x, here y goes to numerator, minus y cos of x by y. Using integration by parts, I am using integration by parts. First into integral of second, cos of x by y is minus sin of x by y divided by 1 by y. Because y is constant. Next minus integral of second, sin of x by y divided by 1 by y into derivative first, x derivative 1. So rule is first into integral of second minus integral of second into derivative first. So first into integral of second sin of x by y divided by 1 by y minus integral of second sin of x by y divided by 1 by y x derivative 1. I am using same formula. Next x minus y cos of x by y multiply, here multiply this one, y gets cancels, x sin of x by y. Here also 1 by y gets cancels, sin of x by y. Integrate this one, integral of sin of x by y is minus cos of x by y divided by 1 by y. So here x sin of x by y, this two term gets cancels because y goes to numerator. So remaining term x plus x sin of x by y is equal to c. This is the required solution of the given equation. That's all. Solve cos x minus 3x squared tan y of dx is equal to x cube secant squared by dy. Second question, y sin 2x dx minus of 1 plus y square plus cos squared x of dy is equal to 0. Here I am considering first equation. This one transfer from RHS to LHS. Cos x minus 3x squared tan y of dx minus x cube secant squared by dy is equal to 0. Here m cos x minus 3x squared tan y differentiate with respect to differentiate partially m with respect to y, delta m by delta y 0. So 3x square minus 3x square tan y derivative secant square y, cos x derivative 0 minus 3x square tan y derivative secant square y. Next n minus x cube secant square y. So differentiate partially n with respect to x minus x cube derivative 3x squared secant square y. So both are equal, delta m by delta y is equal to delta n by delta x. Therefore given equation is exact. Solution, integral m dx by constant plus n of y dy is equal to c. Here m is nothing but cos x tan y 3x square dx. Is any independent of y term? There is no independent of y term, so 0. n of y is 0. So integral of cos x is sin x, tan y is constant, integrate 3x square, 3 into integral of x squared is x cube divided by 3 gets cancels, sin x minus, so here sin x minus x cube tan y is equal to c. Next given second problem, given equation y sin 2x minus of 1 plus y square plus cos square x of dy is equal to 0, y sin 2x differentiate partially with respect to y. So y derivative 1, sin 2x is constant, sin 2x y derivative 1. So sin 2x itself, n minus 1 minus y squared minus cos squared x. Differentiate n, differentiate partially with respect to x. So 0, 0, so minus 2 cos x into cos x derivative minus sin x, cos squared x derivative minus 2 cos x into minus sin x. Therefore 2 sin x cos x is nothing but sin 2x. There is a formula. Therefore both are equal, delta m by delta y is equal to delta n by delta x. Therefore given equation is exact. Solution is integral m dx by constant plus n of y dy is equal to 0, y sin 2x dx. Note here independent of y term, there are two terms, minus 1 minus y square. If you take minus n common, minus of 1 plus y square dy is equal to c1. So y into integral of sin 2x means minus cos 2x divided by 2 minus integral of 1 is y, integral of y squared is y cube by 3 is equal to c. Here multiply by 6 because 2 into 3 6 is the LCM. So multiply by 6 we get 3y cos 2x plus 6y. Next 6 divided by 3 means 2 by y is equal to minus 6c1. So 3y cos 2x, 6y, 2y cube. Instead of minus 6c1 I am taking c, where minus 6c1 is equal to c, where c is constant of integration. This is the required solution of the given problem. That's all. Next to solve cos x tan y plus cos of x plus y dx plus sin x secant squared y plus cos of x plus y dy is equal to 0. second question, y of 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y dx plus x log x minus x sin y of dy is equal to 0. Next, given equation cos x tan y cos of x plus y dx plus sin x secant square y cos of x plus y dy is equal to 0. Here m cos x tan y cos of x plus y. This implies delta m by delta y. Cos x derivative of tan y is secant squared y. Next, cos of x plus y derivative minus sin of x plus y. We get x derivative 0, y derivative 1. We get sin cos of x plus y derivative minus sin of x plus y into 1. We get as it is. Next, n sin x. This one is into sin s secant squared y cos of x plus y. This implies differentiate. Here I am differentiating partially with respect to x. So delta m by delta x is equal to sin x derivative cos x secant squared y. Sin x derivative cos x secant squared y is constant. I am writing as it is. Next, cos of x plus y derivative minus sin of x plus y 1 plus 0. We get 1 is sin of x plus y itself. Therefore, both are equal. Delta n by delta y is equal to delta n by delta x. Therefore, given equation is exact. Next, solution m dx y constant plus n of y dy is equal to c. M tan y cos x plus cos of x plus y dx. Next is an independent of y term. There is no independent of y term. So n of y is 0 is equal to c. Next, to tan y constant, integral of cos x is sin x. Integral of cos of x plus y is sin of x plus y is equal to c. Here tan y is constant because I am integrating with respect to x. Tan y is constant. Integral of cos x is sin x. Integral of cos of x plus y is sin of x plus y is equal to c. This is the required solution of the given problem. Second question, given equation. So here y 1 plus x, y into 1 plus x cos y dx plus x plus log x sin y dy is equal to 0. Here m 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y delta m by delta y. Differentiate partially with respect to y. So 1 plus x into y derivative 1 cos y is minus sin y. Therefore 1 plus 1 by x minus sin y. N x plus, this one is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Here n x plus log x sin y. I am differentiating partially with respect to x. So delta m by delta x derivative 1 log x derivative 1 by x sin y x derivative 1 sin y into 1 means sin y itself. Therefore both are equal. delta m by delta y is equal to delta n by delta x. Both are equal. 1 plus 1 by sin x minus sin y. Therefore, given equation is exact. Here solution m dx y constant plus n of y dy is equal to c. M y 1 plus 1 by x cos y of dx plus here n of y means here is any independent of y term, there is no independent of y term, so 0 is equal to c. So y into integral of 1 is x, integral of 1 by x is log x, next cos y is constant, integral of 1 is x, integral of 1 by x is log x, cos y is constant, so cos y into dx means cos y into x is equal to c. Therefore, solution is y of x plus log x, x cos y is equal to c. This is a required solution of the given equation. That's all. Next term, integrating factors method. Integrating factor method. We are using the following formulas to solve corresponding problems. First one, d of xy can be written as x dy y dx. This one is first formula. Here, second one, d of x by y can be written as y into dx minus x into dy divided by y squared. D of y by x, x dy y dx divided by x squared. Fourth one, d of log of x by y is equal to y dx x dy divided by x by d of log of y by x is equal to x dy y dx divided by xy. Next, d of log of x square plus y square. So 2x dx 2y dy divided by x square plus y square. Otherwise, half of d of log of x square plus y square x dx y dy divided by x square plus y square. Next, d of tan inverse x by y. So y dx minus x dy divided by x square plus y square. Next, d of tan inverse y by x can be written as x dy y dx divided by x square plus y square. Next, d of 1 by xy minus d of xy divided by xy whole square. These are the following formulas we using to solve problems. That's all. Y of y square plus 1 of dx solve x of y squared minus 1 dy, y of x squared plus y of dx, x of x squared minus 2y of dy is equal to 0, x dy minus y dx is equal to xy square dx. X dx is equal to y of x square plus y squared minus 1 of dy. Here first question, given equation is I am multiplying here y squared plus 1 dx x of y squared minus 1 dy is equal to 0. Multiply this one. So y cube dx y dx xy square dy x dy is equal to 0. Here from these two terms I am taking y squared common. So if we take y squared common, so we get y dx plus x dy plus y dx minus x dy. From these two terms I am taking y squared as common. Here multiplying by integrating factor 1 by y squared. Here 1 by y squared is the integrating factor. So multiplying by integrating factor 1 by y squared. This becomes y dx plus x dy y dx minus x dy divided by y squared is equal to 0. So here we get this can be written as d of yx. We know that formula. This can be written as x divided by y is equal to 0 because d of yx is nothing but y into dx plus x into dy. Y into dx, x into dy. I am using this formula d of x by y. We know that y into dx minus x into dy divided by y square. So integrating, this becomes xy is equal to x by y is equal to c, which is the required solution of the given differential equation. Here y dx plus x dy can be written as d of yx. First term is y, so that is I am taking yx. Here denominator y squared, that is I am taking y in denominator d of x by y. So integrating, because we know that integral of derivative of function is equal to function itself. Second question, y of x square plus 1 dx x of x square 2y of dy is equal to 0. Here multiply this one, we get x squared y, so y dx x cube dy minus 2xy dy is equal to 0. Here x squared y dx. This one is x squared y dx. Here from this root I am taking x squared as common. So x squared, if you take x squared as common, y dx plus x dy minus 2xy dy plus y dx is equal to 0. Here multiplying by integrating factor 1 by x, because we have to eliminate x squared, then we get standard form. That is reason I am taking 1 by x squared as integrating factor. So y dx x dy, if we take minus sign common, 2xy dy y dx divided by x squared is equal to 0. Therefore this can be written as d of y by x. This one is d of y squared by x. This can be written as, instead of this one I am taking d of y squared by x, because apply formula x into y square derivative, x into apply formula quotient rule, x into y square derivative 2y dy, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator dx divided by x square. So here we get this one. This one is y of x square plus y. So here we get y square. So 2xy dy minus y square dx divided by x square. This can be written as d of y squared by x. Next, integrating. So yx y squared by x is equal to c. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. So multiplying here, because y here, this is y x squared by y square dx, x cube dy minus 2xy dy. From this two terms, if you take x squared common, y dx x dy minus 2xy dy plus y square dx. If you take from these two terms, if you take minus n as common, we get 2xy dy minus y square dx. Here multiplying by integrating factor 1 by x square, because if you multiply by 1 by x square, so we get standard form. So y dx plus x dy can be written as d of yx. This can be written as d of y squared by x. So we get required solution. Here third question, x dy y dx x y square dx, x y square dx. This is a question. I am taking minus dx plus x dy x y square dx. Here multiplying by integrating factor 1 by y square. Multiplying, because we have to eliminate y square, so multiplying by integrating factor 1 by y square. So we get y dx x dy divided by y square x dx. So this can be written as d of x by y is equal to x dx. Apply formula here, denominator into derivative of numerator. So y into x derivative dx minus x into y derivative dy divided by y square. Here we are taking x derivative dx, y derivative dy. So y into dx minus x into dy divided by y square. So instead of this one, I am taking minus d of x by y is equal to this one. So next, integrating. So here we get minus x by y. Integral of x is x squared by 2 plus c. This is the here solution of the given differential equation. Next, fourth question, x dx is equal to y of x square plus y square minus 1 dy. X dx, multiply this one, y of x square plus y square dy minus y dy. Y of x square plus y square dy minus y dy. Next, x dx plus y dy is equal to x square plus y square y dy minus y dy. This one transform RHS to LHS, minus y dy becomes plus y dy. Next, multiplying by integrating factor 1 by x square plus, here integrating factor is x square plus y square, because we have to eliminate x square plus y square here. So multiplying by integrating factor 1 by x square plus y square. So here we get x dx plus y dy divided by x square plus y square is equal to y dy. Here this can be written as half of d of log x square plus y square y dx dy, because we know that here half into This one differentiate this one. Log of x square plus y square means 1 by x square plus y square. X square derivative 2x dx, y square derivative 2y dy. 2y dy. So if you multiply this one, 2 gets cancels, x dx plus y dy divided by x square plus y square. So instead of x dx plus y dy divided by x square plus y square, I am writing half of d of log of x square plus y square is equal to y dy. Next, integrating half into log of x square plus y square. So integral of y is y squared by 2 plus c. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. This step is very important. X dx y dy divided by x square plus y squared can be written as half of d of log of x square plus y square is equal to y dy. So integrating, because we know that integral of derivative of some function is equal to function itself. This one. Here integrating factor 1 by x square plus y square means, because we had to eliminate x square plus y square. So if we eliminate this one, we get standard form. So and then integrating, we get required solution of the given differential equation. That's it. Solve 1 plus yx of x dy plus 1 minus yx of y dx. Y square plus y plus x of dy minus y dx is equal to 0. X square plus y square of dx minus 2xy of dy is equal to 0. Y dx minus x dy minus 3x square y square 3x cube dx is equal to 0. First question, given equation is, I am multiplying this one, x square y dy y dx x y square dx is equal to 0. X dy x square y, here x dy y dx, from these two terms if we take xy as common, so we get here x dy minus y dx is equal to 0. So here we have to eliminate, this can be written as d of xy, d of xy, xy, x dy, y dx is equal to 0. Multiplying by integrating factor, 1 by xy whole square, So here we get d of xy divided by xy whole square, x dy y dx divided by xy is equal to 0. Here 1 by xy whole square is a integrating factor, because if we take like this, we get standard form, we can easily required solution. So this can be written as d of 1 by xy minus of d of 1 by xy. This can be written as d of here y by x log of y by x is equal to 0. Because the reason, if we differentiate this one, 1 by xy derivative minus 1 by xy whole square, because we know that 1 by f means minus 1 by f square dy ds of f, 1 by xy derivative minus 1 by xy whole square. Next differentiate xy, x dy plus y dx. So we get this form, minus into minus plus, we get this form. So that's d of xy divided by xy whole square can be written as d of 1 by xy. Okay, next one, this one. Here log of x by y. Here log of x by y means 1 by y by x. Apply quotient rule. So x into, we know that log f means 1 by f, derivative of log f means 1 by f d by ds of f. Log of y by x means 1 by y by x, y into dy, next to y into dx, divided by x square. So here we get x dy minus y dx divided by x square. So instead of this one I am taking d of log y by x. Instead of d of x by divided by x of y squared can be written as d of 1 by x square. So integrating minus 1 by xy plus log of y by x is equal to c, because integral of derivative of function, integral of derivative f dx is nothing but f itself. So here d cancels, we get minus 1 by x y. Here also d cancels, log of y by x. Next question, sixth question. So y squared y plus x of dy y dx is equal to 0. Here multiply this one, y square dy y dy. Next here x dy minus y dx. Here multiplying by integrating factor 1 by y square. So here we get dy y divided by y squared means 1 by y dy. I am taking minus sign common from these two terms. Y dx minus x dy divided by y squared is equal to 0. So here dy 1 by dy, this can be written as x divided by y is equal to 0. Here apply this one. Here y into dx, x into dy divided by y square. So y dx minus x dy divided by y square can be written as d of x by y. So integrating. So we get y, integral of dy is y, integral of 1 by y means log y, integral of derivative x by y means x by y is equal to c. This is the required solution of the given problem. Next one, seventh one. X square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy is equal to 0. Multiply this one, I am multiplying x square dx. Next term, y square dx x dy is equal to 0. X square dx, y square dx, this one. Here multiplying by integrating factor 1 by x. Here we get dx plus y square dx 2xy dy divided by x square is equal to 0. So dx plus this can be written as here check it, d of x divided by y squared into dx. Next here differentiate this one, y squared into dx minus denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator y square derivative 2y dy divided by here in this particular case y to the power 4, therefore there is a mistake here. One dx, interchange this one, 2xy dy y square dx divided by x square is equal to 0. So dx minus d of y square divided by x is equal to 0, because here check it, x into y square derivative 2y dy. Next denominator into derivative of numerator, next numerator into derivative of denominator by denominator whole squared. Here we get standard form. So integrating. So integral of dx means x. So y square divided by x is equal to c. So if we take minus sign common, we get 2xy dy minus y square dx divided by x square is equal to 0. So this can be written as d of y square divided by x is equal to 0. Integrating, integral of dx is x minus y square divided by x is equal to c. Next question, 8th question. Y dx x dy 3x squared y squared e power x cube dx is equal to 0. Next, multiplying by integrating factor 1 by y square. So here we get y dx x dy divided by y squared minus e power x cube into 3x squared dx is equal to c. Because here dx, so we have to eliminate y square, therefore integrating factor is 1 by y square. So this can be written as d of x by y. This can be written as d of e power x cube is equal to c. Here y dx minus x dy divided by y square can be written as d of x by y, because if I differentiate this one, y into x derivative dx, next x into y derivative dy divided by y square. Next this one, if we differentiate this one d of x cube, we get same term. Here differentiate this one e power x cube into x cube derivative 3x square. So e power x cube into 3x square dx. Instead of this one, I am taking d of e power x cube. Here also y dx minus x dy divided by y square can be written as d of x by y. Next, integrating. So integrating x by y minus e power x cube is equal to c. Because we know that integral of derivative of function is equal to f itself. Therefore, d gets cancelled. X by y, here e power x cube is equal to c. This is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you for all students.